Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something very important: failure. We all experience failure at some point in our lives. Maybe you failed a test, lost a job, or made a big mistake. It doesn't feel good, right? I used to think failure was something negative, something to be ashamed of, but over the years, I have learned that failure is actually a great teacher. Let me tell you a story about a time when I failed and what I learned from it. A few years ago, I wanted to learn how to play the guitar. I've always loved music, and playing an instrument was one of my biggest dreams. So, I bought a guitar and started practicing. At first, I was very enthusiastic. I watched tutorials, followed lessons, and tried to play simple songs. But after a few weeks, I realized something. Playing the guitar was much harder than I expected. My fingers hurt, and I couldn't change chords quickly. No matter how much I practiced, I felt like I wasn't making progress. I started to feel frustrated. After a month, I gave up. I put my guitar in the corner of my room and told myself, maybe I'm just not good at this. For a long time, I didn't even touch the guitar. But one day, I was talking to a friend who plays the piano. I told him about my failure, and he laughed. He said, "Do you think I learned the piano in 1 month?" Of course not. It took me years of practice. The key is to keep going, even when it's difficult. His words made me think, maybe I gave up too quickly. Maybe I didn't give myself enough time. So I decided to try again, but this time with a different mindset. I stopped expecting quick results. Instead, I focused on small improvements. I practiced for just 20 minutes every day, even when I didn't feel like it. Some days, I only practiced one chord. Some days, I just played simple exercises. But I didn't stop. Slowly, I got better. My fingers became stronger, and changing chords became easier. After 6 months, I could finally play a full song. It wasn't perfect, but it was progress. This experience taught me an important lesson. Failure is not the end. It's just a step in the learning process. When we fail, we have two choices. We can give up, or we can learn from our mistakes and try again. The second choice is always the best one. Since then, I have faced many other challenges. Sometimes I fail, but I never stop trying. Now, whenever I struggle with something, I remember the story. I remind myself that success takes time, effort, and patience. If I had given up completely, I would have never learned how to play the guitar. So, what about you? Have you ever failed at something but learned an important lesson from it? Maybe you tried to learn a new skill, started a new job, or joined a new sport, but found it difficult at first. What did you do? Tell me your story in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.